Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to replace DEF Reductant Heater 11-15 Ford F250 Diesel Full Guide. Start by disconnecting the battery, locating the heater assembly, and draining residual fluid safely. Wear gloves and eye protection, and label connectors to avoid confusion during reassembly. Gather necessary tools and a replacement heater rated for DEF systems before you begin, and review torque specs for mounting bolts to prevent leaks. Begin by cutting power and relieving system pressure, then remove the lower skid plate to access the heater module. Unplug electrical connectors, mark hose positions, and detach mounting bolts while catching any spilled DEF. Inspect O-rings and wiring harness for corrosion, clean mating surfaces, and compare the new heater to the old one for identical fittings before installing. Tighten bolts to spec, reconnect hoses and plugs, refill DEF, and verify heater operation. Quick recommendation: if you like helpful how-tos, please subscribe and like this video to support more content. Also check out the product seen here, Books Read Anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite, for easy manuals and specs on the go. Look in the description for the link and other deals, and consider bookmarking this video for later reference. Thanks for the support, it really helps creators. Now let's get back to the video. Position the new heater carefully, lubricate O-rings with DEF fluid, and hand start bolts to align the unit. Torque mounting bolts in a crisscross pattern to specification, reconnect electrical connectors double-checking locking tabs, and secure all clamps. After refilling DEF, run the vehicle to operating temperature and monitor fault codes, watching for leaks and confirming the heater reaches operating current. If uncomfortable, seek professional help to avoid damage or warranty issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.